Ultimate Showdown.
Final Slam Band.
Iba yung intensity pag sabay-sabay na lang.
Dito dapat ibubuhos na nila lahat.
Mga viewers, pwede pa sila mag-vote hanggang bukas 12 noon. Kaya kung sino, baka naman nagpapalit na sila ng isip kung sino yung mga favorite nila.
Let me show you what thing is do.
Pero lahat sila talagang magagaling no? Depende na sa voters yan.
Brain, I'll be there instantly. Cause I'm trying to get all up in your mouth like the dentist. So many shoes in my closet, you would've thought I was a centipede. Black paint, white seats, looking like a referee. You could run out of energy, that's why you shouldn't mess with it. And I got my shit on smash like I stepped in it. Remember this, A-Rod here, so don't fear no more. Because I'm fresh to death, I can't hear no more. I got
Talagang bigayan na rito Kailangan na nila ipakita lahat. Oh.
Considering wala masyadong mga gymnastics na facilities, ang galing lahat ng mga Pinoy magtambling, no? Wow. Away na ito, Ata Jim!
Ito na talaga yung showdown na tinatawag.
Ang hirap naman yan.
Oo. Yun na. Oo.
Ang kagandahan dito sa sport of dance na hip-hop or street dancing is kahit sa dance floor, medyo intense.
Oo.
Medyo nagkakainitan. Lahat sila magkaibigan.
Yes.
Kahit paano.
Yan talaga yung pinakamaganda sa kanila. Nakita mo yung nag-spin? At sakit sa ulo niya pag talaga walang support.
Hindi pa naman sila nagkakabangga.
Yan talaga, pag dancers, talagang alam nila limit nila. Galing.